Back again with another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make deepfakes using deepfacelab by iperov. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So here's the sample video of what we're gonna be achieving by the end of this video, so take a look at it.
Face a disaster if we do not find some alternate means to power society and travel. The issue will only become really serious maybe towards the end of the century because of the enormous industrial base of power generation and transport. It will take decades to transform that to a sustainable system. So we must take action now in order to avoid a calamity towards the end of the century. I think sustainable production consumption of energy is the most important terrestrial problem that we face in the 21st century.
So you need to head over to this GitHub repository. The link is going to be in the description below. And as you guys can see, this is the repository which you will be using in this video, and the sample videos you can watch, the type of videos that it can create out of nowhere. So if you like to play with politicians or link is going to be in the description below. So yeah, there are going to be 3 versions of this software, so we'll definitely go with the default one and if you guys have RTX 3000 series, you can download those ones and skip the default, which I'll be using in this video. And we need to head over to the workspace directory and make 2 videos, .dst and .source, and .d destination is going to be the video where we are going to replace our face with. And for example, you want to replace Elon Musk's face with ours, so there is going to be .dst and .source is going to be our face. And first step is to extract images from video .source, and this is the first step, and you'll stick to the default settings, and therefore you'll be hitting enter every time it asks anything. So step second is extract images from .dst full fps, and so definitely going to stick with the default settings, so hit enter every time it asks anything. Third step is going to be .source space set extract .bat, and hit enter every time it asks if we want to go with the default settings. And so it is quite heavy on your machine, and so I sped this up, fast forwarded it. Like it is very heavy on your CPU and GPU as well, so it took me a while to do that. And for the sake of videos, I kept it as simple as I can, because it will take me a lot of time if I went with longer video. And step 4 is .dst face set extract .bat, hit enter every time for the default settings. And this one took me a while, as you guys can see. I fast forwarded this one. I sped this up also because it took me a while. If you guys don't have any better graphics card, you can always go with the processor as well. As you guys can see, the option CPU, and I'm gonna hit enter and head over to the next step, that is going to be step 5, train quick 96.bat. So this is where all the training occurs. So training of the, so it's going to make our algorithm better. So you're going to hit enter for the default settings. Once again, you guys can do a lot of sample videos if you have gotten access to better videos where the subject happens to focus on one thing and not moving head at all. Then it's going to yield better results. You can also have faces of your teeth exposed. So I'm sticking with the 2000 iterations. You guys can go 1 million iterations if you think that your sample videos are good enough. So it is going to yield better results as compared to what I have done. And yeah, it is going to converge. So you guys can see that the plotter is converging, and that's when I'm going to stop, because it is no longer going to show me better result, with the type of sample videos I have. So step 6 is going to be merge quick 96.bat. So here's the merging gonna take place, and so hit enter every time it asks for the default settings. And if you guys want to deviate from the default ones, you are free to do that. And this is where all the magic is going to happen. And this is interface of this merger, erode marks, blur marks, face scale. This is all what we have to take note of while using this software. And there is a C color transfer mode. So first thing, we need to play around with face scale, blur marks, and erode marks. Face scale is to scale the face, and this is erode marks. If you increase erode marks, then it's going to keep your face together. Like if you want your face to be white, and you can always blur to blend the face and the rest of the skin tone with the subject. And also there is a option to change colors, and yeah, you can always play around to get good results than what I have done over here. So you have to use shift and question mark to go to save the results, and then you have to shift and use this greater than to transfer it to all the frames. And once you have done that, the next step is going to be 7th, merge to mp4.bat. And yeah, so hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.